We're off on a short rescue because it's only about a mile away from the centre of a bird that's stuck in an atrium of an office building 30 feet up and it can't get out. Right, so we're going to have a look first, see what kit we're going to need.
There, look, there he is.
Could we pincer him, do you think?
Yeah, I would have thought so. We'll get the 6 metres and do it from this level. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right, it takes about 8 hours now to do this. Goody bird. I can't even get the height, sorry. Right, that's it. Getting your net up. Far too long, these things. Alright. Okay, I swear I'm longer than you because I can reach that top. There's that gap behind that it can just go around. Where are we going back through into with these poles?
We're going to have to drop back down there and take it down that side.
Pressure, you got pressure?
Yeah. They're going to swing as soon as we clear this.
Steady, 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 steady. Wait till we're down and try to just hold the two nets together. Steady, 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 steady. Fine, well done. Get there quick, Laurie, because there's a gap. You there? Can I? We good?
Yeah.
Got it. Ow. There we go.
Look at that. So easy when you don't know what you're doing. Go, go, go. Right.
There he is. Right, fella. Let's set you free.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the red button. And make sure you hit the bell to get notifications of our latest content. If you want to help us save wildlife, please donate. Every pound you give will help us to save more wildlife.